Land, no?
Oo, Baguio Pasarabo. So for all those tourists who are coming up Baguio, of course, they won't miss bringing home some pasalubong from Baguio.
Yan. So, Tartland, napakasarap yan. Alam mo yung lengua,
Oo.
pag natikman mo from Tartland, nako, sigurado niyan, pasasalubungan mo yung iyong mga barkada,
Yes.
kung saan man ang
Oo.
uuwian mo.
Hindi lang yon ang ever famous din na peanut brittle ng Baguio.
Okay, so competing na pala yung Assemblies of God and
Oo.
30,000 plus kind donations from many people from the church helped out in that wonderful float that they have. Itong float ng Tartland ay driven by a cow, ano? Oo, it's being pulled by a cow. So kaya medyo mahirap.
Very unique nga naman.
Oo,
Kung ang
mahirap.
ibang floats natin, floats natin were actually driven by an automobile. This one, manually.
Oh, so I'm just trying to look for some details of Tartland. Pero ito, at papasok na ang float ng glutamine.
Glutamine.
Oo. Check lang natin if nasa atin yung detail ng glutamine. So habang pababa po ang float ng glutamine, kumakaway, they have people riding their float. At ang dumadaan po sa atin ngayon ay isa sa ating mga competing float. Ayun, Tartland, sayang, hindi ko nabasa yung sa Tartland. Pero very, very simple yung float ng Tartland and direct to the point yung message na kaya gusto niyang ihatid sa kanyang float. At yun nga, kaladaan lang sa atin ng float
Glutamine.
ng glutamine.
Kung makikita natin, they also used a combination of everlasting, different kinds of flowers here for the glutamine float. And right behind the glutamine float, yes, another drum and lyre. Okay, this is a band from the SLU Laboratory High School.
Ayun. Alam mo, dyan ako nag-graduate ng high school and definitely it's going to be a great performance right here
Yes.
from SLU Laboratory High School, formerly known as SLU Boys High.
Oo.
So that was a great performance
Yes.
from St. Louis Laboratory Boys High School, or should I say Laboratory High School?
Oo. Actually, Andrew, yung mga tugtog nila is bringing back retro, pati yung mga costumes nila.
Oo. So, Conehead
Oo.
with Everlasting, what else can you ask for? Boogie Wonderland.
Boogie Wonderland, yes.
It reminds me of the movie Happy Feet. Diba?
Yes, oo.
Ako, binabati pala natin yung ating mga kaibigan, ano? Tinibita natin sa isang free concert. Meron pang kasamang free t-shirt atid ng Bombo Radio at Star FM sa Panagbanga. 6 p.m. tonight yan, dyan sa may Melvin Jones. At syempre, kasama rin nila yung Pakistani na 8 feet 4 inches.
Wow,
the
that
second
is
tallest man in the world.
Wow, that is a
Ijaz
sight to
Ahmed.
see.
Oo. At sabi nga nung kaibigan natin na si Edong Carta na nag-iimbita dyan sa free concert na may kasama pang free t-shirt ng Bombo Radio at Star FM. Pasasayawin daw nila papakantahin.
Ayan.
Yung tallest man na yan.
Dapat naman at abangan natin yan.
Now we're now listening to the Panagbanga hymn being played by the St. Louis Laboratory High School Band. That was a great performance. And napag-uusapan natin yung mga floats kanina.
Oo.
Kung paano at gaano katagal nila gawin. Sabi mo nga kanina, it takes days, some take weeks, especially yung frame, yung paggawa nila noong framework, yung skeleton ng
Oo,
kanilang float.
tama.
At syempre yung paglagay mismo ng bulaklak, isa-isang nilalagay yan eh. So talagang napakahirap.
Actually, last year, some of our competitors told us that nag-overnight talaga sila before the parade
Oo.
just to make sure the flowers are fresh. So yung mga lantana, they have to do rush para kapalitan nila yon.
Oo, so eto na, pababa na ang float, excuse me, ng Unilever, Surf at ABS-CBN.
Yes.
Hulaan mo kung bakit nagtitilian yung mga tao ngayon.
Bakit?
Kasi nandiyan dyan yung kamukha ko.
Oh!
Hindi, si Gerald Anderson and Kim Chu.
Oo.
Oo.
Sikat na heartthrobs
That's
ng
right.